Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you text notification sound not working and provide a solution. So first of all, open your phone settings, scroll down, click onto app management, go to app list, and you need to just find your message app. Okay, look here, this is my message app. Click onto manage notification and enable to allow notification. Okay, now done. So that's how we can easily solve this problem. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial debate channel for more video.